Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's afternoon wrap-up for a trade recommendation made in the Treasury note at 6:45 a.m. Central Time this morning. That market opens at 7:20 Central, so you had plenty of time to put these trades on. We started off wanting to sell 15s to 19s. We lowered it to 11 to 15 as I was talking then. After the first rotation up, we raised it to 15 to 19 once again. So we like to sell in the 15 to the 19 area. On the buy side, we started out this morning wanting to buy 1s to 5s. We quickly raised that to buying basically 5 to 9 area. And that's how we started the day. We came in wanting to be buyers, as I said, and we didn't really change that viewpoint until we got up to the 16 area. Really good resistance at 16 to 20 on the charts, and we didn't think we had news today that would break the market out of it without some big help from the E-mini. And we, as you know, we also saw that in a trading range. So we came in this morning, and right off the bat we got our retest failure trade set up right here that had us long at 8. The market traded up to 11.5, so that gave us our expected 3 points. The next trade right here, we got a beautiful retest failure again in the 9 to 10 area. That put us long at 10 to 11, and the market traded up to 12. Based on that trade, you'd have scratched that trade depending on your entry, or you'd have made a 30 seconds. So a 64th to a 32nd is what that trade pulled. Got another very nice retest failure here. Trade setup that had us along again at 11 to 12, and this time the market traded to 16.5. And you got your expected 30 seconds on it. Now we're in the area 16 to 20 where we thought the market could find sellers, and we got a really nice retest failure or a setback set up here that had you short at 15. The first trade stopped at 12.5, where you would have netted 1 to 2 30 seconds on that particular trade. Came back in, you could have been short again right here. We stopped trading though at that time, though you were short in the 13 to 13.5 area, and the market did trade down to 8.5, so you could have picked up more. So looking at the trades, 3 plus 1 plus 3 was 6, plus 1 7, plus maybe 3 down here gave you a shot at 10 on the low side, and maybe 12 if you traded it perfectly. So we had a pretty good day. I had a shot at making $300 per position or more, depending on how many times you traded and where you were. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site you'll get an overview of the software, trading methodologies, and our educational packages. To further encourage you to visit our website and us, we offer you 5 free days of trading in our main room, where you will cover crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini contract, and we update those at least hourly. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in our main trading room for your 5-day free trial offer, and in the meantime, good trading.